Hi friends, I'm Ala. I'm a sketch illustrator and watercolorist. And on today's YouTube video, I want to share with you some swatches of my architectural tones in Pro Markers, Winsor and Newton. We have here 24 and +1 markers. So on today's video, I will share with you the unboxing process and as well the colors that it contains. Stay with me to find out more. So friends, I decided to do the unboxing of this Pro Marker 24+1 architectural tones of markers. I'm really keen to draw some interior design with those and some interesting sketches. But before, I want to make some swatches with you. So let's begin. Okay. Here we have 24 colors. I will share the first 12 colors that you see here and here, another 12 colors. And let's take this notebook is this sketchbook is 140 GSM, and the paper is more prepared for sketchbook and for drawing and not for markers. Anyway, I want to try how it works on this kind of paper and how it turns the color from one side to another. I suppose that the markers will transpass on this kind of paper, but then I will share with you some of the works that I have done with these markers on a specific paper, on paper that comes for Winsor and Newton markers. So let's start. First pre-marker is R946, and here we have the thinner side. And here is the thicker side, so we can make like this, like this, like this, oops, like this. If we make more, we see that the color is improving and getting darker. As far as you see, we the paper transpass and even have here some dots. Let's move on. This is G356. G356. O324. G338. B624. As far as you see, the colors are not coming up together from lighter tone to darker tone, but it is because I have tried those first, and somewhere I have left their position. Somewhere I have changed it. So this is B637. IG4. So you see the colors are coming up. These markers are not working well for bullet journal. I have tried those, so I can mention that those are not working well. But if you use Pro Markers paper, specific one, then you will see. So here, this is for mixing. I won't use it. And here is XB. Black color. And here we have another blender. We have two blenders. The blenders are working well when we need to mix up colors. IG2. This one is working very well as well for blending. I use it and I really enjoy it. So it has a beautiful gray color, and that makes the transition really beautiful from one side to another. Okay, IG6. And as far as you notice, some of the grays are cooler and some of the grays are warmer. So depending where we need to apply those, we have a cooler color or we have a warmer color. These colors are for architectural landscapes. So the colors are mainly for this kind of drawing. I wasn't sure what I wish because I wanted something for landscape, but then I decided that I like architecture and it is a great way to paint something new, to enjoy the works. And lots of gray colors. I want to say that working with landscapes, it is worth it to have a lot of grays. These grays have a warmer shade or cooler shade. And as you notice, when we apply more layers, the beautiful color will turn out. G6, 6. This is a beautiful brown color. G2. And the last three are G0, which is a super light gray. Sometimes I'm getting confused on which one to try, this one or the next one, because the colors are very similar. But when I say similar, those are similar over here. But on the paper, those are working differently. With G0, you see, this one is cooler and this one is warmer. Okay. And last one, XB. As far as you see, we have two XBs. XB, and we have two whites, two blenders, because those two are the ones that are used more in architectural drawing, and you don't need to have a micron pen for those. This is about swatching. And now let's see the works that I have made with these colors. Okay. So I was using this Winsor Newton paper, marker paper, that has 25 grams per square meter or 20 lb, and it is written that it is bleed proof. This means that the marker is not transpressed on the other side. It is true that on the other side we can see the color, but it is not getting on that paper. And I also have painted another work, but I will share you later. So here it is, one of my interior sketch with these markers. I enjoyed for painting this. It was difficult. As you see on this side, we see the work, but it hasn't transpassed on this side. And this is another interior sketch that I have made. This one I was more confident in terms of color. I enjoyed more on painting those. And another work that was done on another piece of paper that also transpass. It is 120 GSL, and here you see an event sketch. And here I started another interior sketch that I haven't finished yet. So that's it about my Winsor and Newton Pro Markers. I think that these Pro Markers are really high quality. It is for the first time that I'm working with markers. Usually I'm working with watercolors. And what I want to say that for a beginner, it is something that I enjoy a lot. I love the colors, and on my travel sketches I would like to try those one day. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, thumbs up, leave a comment below, and also you can leave in comments your thoughts, and if you think that you would like to see more about Pro Markers on this channel. It is true that I'm sharing more about watercolors and other supplies, not with Pro Markers, but if you want, I can share more drawings, more details and more interesting things about this. Just leave me some comments below. Thank you. Bye.